Okay, so it's now ignition ready, and the OBD port is plugged in, OBD cable, and the Mood3 is powered on, and USB cable is attached. So open this file, but first is you have to go to, if it's your first time to open it, go to drive C, and then Mood3 SE, and then go to system, common, then you can see an adapter.txt file. If you don't have adapter.txt file, just create a file named adapter.txt. So I will delete this just to show you that how it opens during your first time. So adapter.txt doesn't have anything on it, so I'll close it. So adapter.txt is still there, but nothing, there's no text file or configuration in there. So I'll open the Mood3 SE. I'll click. Now it's now on the front page, and then so Mood3 is still on. I'll click this one, STV, and then this black screen will pop up. So there's two drivers installed, RNMVI or VCI3 Lite. Disregard that RNMVI because we don't need that, and also that's not required for your Mood3 to run properly. The only important thing is this VCI3.Lite is installed. So this is installed when you install the Mood3 software. So I will choose number 2 because VCI3 Lite is on number 2. I'll press 2 and then enter, and then that it should read your car. Just wait for that to load, and then this one will pop up. Confirm VCI Lite use. VCI Lite is not connected. Is VCI used? Yes. Click the checkbox, and that should load up. Now it's now showing all my car's details, and then I can go to eTax now and then change some eTax configurations. So I have now access to my car.